Thanks for letting me spend the night.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, hey, little guy. Sorry I stepped on your tail last time.
Oh, I'm sure he doesn't even remember. Your room's just down here.
Oh, thanks. Oh. Ouch!
Are you okay?
Something tripped me.
Here's your room.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, and I got you a water, too.
Oh, thanks. So thirsty. Why does it taste like bleach? Oh, what? Is that my phone? What?
Going, it's 2 a.m.
Your cat is insane. He tripped me down the stairs. He poisoned my drink. He texted my boyfriend and I cheated on him.
Milo? You said you wouldn't do that anymore.